male lions have? Body length, 6 to 8 feet, 1.8 to 2.5 meters. Shoulder height, 3.5 to 4 feet, 1.1 to 1.2 meters. Weight, 330 to 500 pounds, 150 to 225 kilograms. African female lions have? Body length, 5.5 to 6.7 feet, 1.7 to 2 meters. Shoulder height, 3 to 3.5 feet, 0.9 to 1.1 meters. Weight, 250 to 350 pounds, 110 to 160 kilograms. A group of lions is called a pride. A lion pride typically consists of multiple related adult females, their offspring, and a few adult males. The pride structure allows for cooperative hunting, protection of territory, and the rearing of young cubs. Lion pride helps to protect the cubs from any sort of dangers. Male lions primarily engage in fights with other males during territorial disputes or when competing for dominance within a pride. These fights are often intense and can be quite brutal.